Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic for our Ghanaian viewers. We'll be discussing how to buy a mobile phone and pay for it later in Ghana. If you're tired of waiting to save up for your dream phone, this video is for you. So let's get started. If you wish to buy a mobile phone and pay later in Ghana, the first step is to choose a reliable retailer. Look for well-established stores or authorized dealers that offer flexible payment options. Doing a bit of research beforehand will ensure you get a genuine product and a hassle-free experience. There are a couple of companies or businesses that gives people the chance to buy mobile phones and pay later in Ghana. An example of a company that offer this as part of its services is MTN. MTN, the popular telecommunication network in Ghana, has introduced MTN Pick and Pay Later. With MTN Pick and Pay Later, qualified customers are allowed to choose devices, phones, and tablets of their choice and pay over a period of 6 months through mobile money. Applicants are required to confirm initial payment of a specified amount through mobile money or at any service center of their choice before picking up the phone. To know more about how this works, kindly click on the link in the description to understand and get your phone as soon as possible. Another is Kwabai Ghana. Kwabai Ghana deals in phones, laptops, and accessories, especially Apple products. They also give customers the chance to select a mobile phone and pay in installment. For more about how Kwabai Ghana does this, kindly check the link in the description. Now, step 2. After choosing a reliable retailer, inquire about layaway plans. Layaway plans are a popular option for buying a mobile phone and paying later in Ghana. These plans allow you to reserve the phone of your choice by making a down payment, and then you can pay the remaining balance in installments over a set period. It's an excellent option for those who don't want to rely on credit cards or loans. Step 3. Check for interest-free installment plans. Some retailers offer interest-free installment plans, which can be a great way to spread the cost of your mobile phone over several months. Make sure to ask about any terms and conditions associated with these plans and ensure there are no hidden charges. Even if there are, make sure you know and understand before making your decision. Step 4. Verify eligibility criteria. Before committing to any payment plan, make sure to verify the eligibility criteria. Retailers may require specific documents, such as identification, proof of residence, or income statements. Understanding these requirements beforehand will smoothen the process. Step 5. Negotiate with the retailer. Don't hesitate to negotiate with the retailer. Sometimes they might be willing to customize a payment plan that suits your financial situation better. Remember, it never hurts to ask politely. Step 6. Read and understand the agreement. Once you've decided on a payment plan, take the time to carefully read and understand the agreement. Pay close attention to the payment schedule, any penalties for late payments, and other terms that may apply. Lastly, make timely payments. It's essential to stick to the agreed payment schedule, set reminders or automate payments to avoid any late fees, and to maintain a good relationship with the retailer. And there you have it. Buying a mobile phone and paying later in Ghana is possible with the right approach. Remember to choose a reliable retailer, explore layaway plans or interest-free installment options, and negotiate for the best deal. Always read and understand the agreement, and most importantly, make timely payments to avoid any issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.